All right, so apparently my mic wasn't on, so great. You feel me? I'm finna start doing watches of the week, watches of the day, all that good stuff. You feel me? So my bad, I had a little interruption, but yes, I like this watch. It's a MB&F Mad One, and this watch is pretty cool. This I guess you can the thing on top of the dial it spins, and you feel me? I gotta see this watch in person. I want to see how fat this case is. Like I gotta see how this look on my wrist. You feel me? But I think like the owner who made the creator who made this watch, he I guess this was just like a family friends, like if you know you know type of watch, and then he went public with it. Um, but yeah, this shit cool as hell. So boom, I got a watch for tomorrow. I ain't gonna spoil nothing. Just know that shit fire hell. But anyway, talk about the news this week. We got crude oil inventory, PMI, and then new home sales on Friday. So no real crazy news until like Thursday. Also earnings. Earnings we got some names. We got Home Depot. Let me see. I think this gotta be a Chinese stock as well. I just I just have a feeling it's a Chinese stock, but I haven't looked into it. Got Baidu. I got them in my what's the name? I forgot. I ain't even Target, JC, T. What is it? TJX. Damn. TJ. Hold on, bro. I gotta look them up, bro. Hold on. Oh shit. I'm thinking this I'm thinking this a store like Ross. Ain't that TJ Maxx? That's what it's called. Yeah, TJ and then TJ Maxx. So I'm like, yeah. That's what I thought. But anyway, WIC, we got Zoom, we got Urban Outfitters, TD Bank, uh, Copart, Ralph Lauren, Workday, Ross, Advanced Autos. I feel like I know this one, but I don't know. My best guess is calculating. But anyway, Deck. We also have Deck. Hopefully Deck go up. BJ's and Autodesk. I looked into Autodesk. They I know they started in like 1980 something. Real talk. But anyway, let's talk about what Spy did this week, and then I'm gonna talk about what I did this week. So Spy made a real like a rally up. It probably cooked a lot of traders this week. I definitely learned from Spy this week. Um, it had a gap up. The Qs as well. You feel me? I'm not getting ahead of myself, but the Qs as well. Just know I know these stocks moving like cahoots. You feel me? So definitely. I'm waiting for that pullback. I don't know. I thought it was gonna come like Thursday or something, but it's not. It didn't. You feel me? It didn't come like Thursday. So maybe in these next couple of weeks, maybe next week, because I already can see like I ain't gonna try to get ahead of myself, but we're gonna get there. But anyway, Spot made a higher high, 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 higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You feel me? So Spot just been going up and down. Well, up. You feel me? Been going up, making higher highs, higher lows. Um, did I sit back and watch Spy do higher highs and higher lows and get entered at the higher low to get get exited to exit at the higher high? No, I did not. But I'm working on doing that so we can get better and lock in this skill. You feel me? But definitely been going crazy. Just learning more. You feel me? Learning more. I will never stop learning more in this shit and some in economics in general. You feel me? But yeah, this shit been going nice. what spot like it been going higher highs, higher lows. But I'm waiting for that pullback. So what I do got spot well what I see spot doing is pulling back into 583. If it pull back into 583, hopefully, possibly, maybe it holds 583. But if it doesn't, I will be looking for them shorts. You feel me? I will be looking for them shorts. I really want to see. Ooh, I did not mean to do that. I really want to see what it do off this 586 level. This 586 level was a very strong level from, I want to say this was Monday highs. No. What was this? What was this? This 586 was something spectacular. I know. Wednesday, I remember this. I ain't gonna lie, I remember this because it was just chopping up and down. But Wednesday, SPY. This where it held support. I could have longed it off this level a million times and won a million times. As you can see, literally, you can see all them candle wicks at that 586 level. It held. Look at this candle. Held, came down, went up again. But definitely want to see what SPY do. I didn't really look at news today. I need to look at news, and I should have did that before I started recording. But it's all good. You feel me? It's all good. But oh, this was Thursday. I remember this on Thursday. The move came after I stopped looking at it. If I would have just been patient and sat on my hands, I possibly may have made a lot of money, realistically speaking. But it is coming. It is coming. But definitely, I want SPY to hold that. I want SPY to bounce off that 583. But SPY does have a gap, so I shall see some type. We shall see some type of move down, some type of news, some type of something that make this stock go down. So that's SPY. In my feel me? My bias, my opinion. Same with the Qs. We got this gap in between 490 up to 506. Insanity. Again, I want not SPY. I want the Qs to at least some type of reaction off this 512, this 512 level. But if it don't hold that level, possibly go down to 508. And if it don't hold 508, I'ma know this shit is bare, realistically speaking. But you can see some type of sell off in the post market. Just definitely gonna see how it reacts come this following week. So very interesting. But I do see this gap being filled sometime, somewhere. I just don't know when. I think I definitely said I thought it was gonna be like Thursday. It was gonna come down and fill the gap, but no. It will eventually though. One of these days. The video, 126 mounts, and then possibly move higher. The video is not very overextended on the gap up. I know it did gap up. It was like at 117. I wanted it to bounce off like 115, but it didn't do that. But definitely want to bounce off this 126 level. I think this 126 is like some type of, hold on. That gotta be like a higher time frame. But I know that 126 came from somewhere. It came from something, literally. But definitely bounce off this 126. Maybe possibly it'll move higher. Maybe it fails it and just we're bare. Because if the Qs and SPY go down, definitely the video gonna go down. But we shall see. That's my take on the video. Amazon. I say Amazon. Amazon it either holds 200 or it falls below 200. It looking like it want to make this fill this gap right now. Look, that's what it look like. What it's doing. Mm, Is this a pattern that I see? Is this This is damn sure a pattern I see. This is a shooting star. A shooting star. Is this not a shooting star? Did I just spot a shooting star on Amazon? Is he the shooting star spinning top? Is he one of those two? I'm gonna say shooting star. Which one? Wait. It's either one of the two. Spinning star. I mean, spinning top. I said spinning star. It's a spinning top. Spinning top on Amazon. I see it clear as day. So definitely a move lower on Amazon. I'm super bare on Amazon. I'm happy as hell. I just saw that off the daily. Definitely a spinning top on Amazon. If Amazon isn't bull, or if Amazon doesn't go to 200 or below 200, because I got it going to I got it going below 200, or if it holds 200, cool. But I really see it going to 194ish, and that was I want to 194. What did I? Okay, 194 is the I want to say the 4 hour. Hold on, the 4 hour. Yeah, it was the 4 hour 200 EMA. This is the zone right here. That 194. The possibly fill the gap, but if it don't go down there, if it just go to 198, that'll be cool as well. There it go, 197. You feel me? Right in front of my face. But yeah, that 200 off the daily, that'll be pretty cool. But definitely spinning top on Amazon. You can't tell me it's not straight like that. And this possibly is a spinning top as well on Meta. I do have Meta written down. Now I'm looking at. I'm observing. You feel me? I'm damn sure observing. This is possibly a spinning top on Meta as well. You cannot tell me it's not a spinning top. If it's not, if Meta, I think I had Meta. That's a small line, so I know that's a smaller time frame. Let me see something right fast. Hold on. I'm getting very excited right now. This is Friday. It bounced off 626. Bounced off to 626, and it tried to go back up to 641, but it failed. And after hours, post market, it fell back to that level, that 627, 626 zone. So I do like Meta for puts, maybe, possibly. We just gotta see how it opens tomorrow. Tomorrow. But I done got carried away. I might put in work. Yeah. But anyway, Meta. I got Meta doing. I say Meta. It maybe will hold 624. If not, it falls below. It goes to the 200 EM. Damn, the 200 EMA. Hold on, I didn't say that right. That I had it been off like an hour. Yeah, I probably off the hourly time frame, 200, because I don't think it's gonna go that damn low. But it definitely could go below 624. That's where I see it. But then again, this could be a hammer. We just gotta see how it opens tomorrow. If it if it holds this level, this I don't know where I got this level from, but it's like I need to know. I think this is something because you feel me. It's some type of support somewhere. I feel like I got it from me. I didn't get it from Honey Drip. I just know that I didn't get it from Mike. None of them niggas. But anyway, lower lows, lower highs. So I'm bare on Meta. If Meta come back up and retest, you feel me? If it come back up and retest somewhere between here the 638, I'ma know something. And if it don't break and hold, I'ma know something. I'm definitely gonna be puts. You feel me? Definitely gonna be puts. But that's my 5 for right now. Let's go. Let's talk about what I did this week. Another great learning week, which is always a learning week. But I really have to hone in because I'm doing something very wrong. I ain't gonna say I'm doing something very wrong, but I'm doing something. I'm doing something I can be doing better. I took SPY puts on Monday at 585 level. No, that was Tuesday. My bad. I'm looking at the wrong one. I took SPY puts off 579 and then reversed it and took calls off that same level. So Monday, like right over here. Let me see if I can spot where I entered it. Make sure I ain't move that what's name. So it had it possibly was off this level. Possibly was off this level. I don't remember in particular. They could take 1,000,001 trades. But I know it was some type of put action. I got like a 10%. I want to say it was damn near this candle. Cause I just remember getting in early. So I'm gonna just say this candle, and then we reversed and took spot calls. Wait. I'm overly psyching right now. Overly psyching. Hold on. 579. That's the level I just said, right? Where the fuck is 579? Nigga, I'm on Tuesday. I know I wasn't tripping. This shit didn't even look familiar. Let me tighten up. Alright, hold on. Let me lock in. Bro, damn, that's a large ass level on a 5 minute. Okay, we took. It had to been this. It had to been either this or this. But I'm finna be able to come back and look at this shit and make sure that I know where the hell I'm fucking taking this shit from. You feel me? So I can come back and, you feel me? Be like, okay, boom. I took this right here off this level. Boom. Okay, so I got it right here. Boom. And then I got it right here. Boom. You feel me? I'm finna straight be like that. But anyway, I remember what I do have. I took SPY off 579 level, 10% plus 10%, and then SPY calls off 579 level plus 8%, so 18% type of day. And then Tuesday took SPY puts 585 level. I got out at like around 5%, and then Microsoft 449 level. I got out at like around 11%, and then Microsoft panic sale. That trade went higher, and I didn't pay attention, and I got out, and I don't even know where I got out at, but insanity on Tuesday, Wednesday. Meta, I ain't gonna lie. Let's talk about Meta. Hold on, I just know I can see this one. I know I can see this one. Meta Wednesday. What the world? Meta Wednesday. I know I can see this one. If I don't see this one, I don't know. I might gotta quit trading. I can't see this one. I don't see this one. Why the fuck did I get out at 0.5%? That's crazy. But anyway, I'm trying to see if I see this one, but I don't know. I'm gonna come back harder. Just know that. But definitely, I'm gonna definitely be trading Meta more. Meta is down for a bear. You can look at this shit, but it's holding this 627, holding 627. So hopefully, goddamn break below 627. We'll get some more bear movement. I'm definitely finna go read news after this shit. But Meta, I did take Meta off 659 level. Fucking 0.5%. But I know why. I absolutely know why. And all this shit will change come this week. Understand that. Then I took Apple off of 213. Yeah. And then Amazon on Thursday, 205 level, -6%. NVIDIA, 113 level puts, plus 14%. I remember taking that trade on my lonesome. And then NVIDIA, I tried to go back at the same level and didn't hold, but the price did go in my favor after I got out. That's the key. After I got out. But definitely learning to hold longer and getting a better feel. It's all about holding and getting a feel as of right now. You feel me? Not being greedy as well. But I ain't gonna say I got it, but I definitely have a great outlook on it. And lastly, Friday, Amazon 202 puts. 202 puts off the 202 level. Yeah, that's like a 5%er. And then SPY 590 level, -10. And then the Qs 520 level. The Qs trade, bro. I think I can see this one. I know I can see this one. Please see this one. It was this right here. It was. Oh yes, I can see this one. I can see this one with my eyes closed. It was this right here. It broke. I think I had like a trend line from like right here to like right here, and it broke the trend line. Right when it broke the trend line, I should have waited for a break and retest. It broke and it retested, and the reason why I can see this one because I remember Rav took SPY and he got like a 50%er. And this, you feel me, on the Qs, it's almost in cahoots. It's just about in cahoots with SPY. So that's why I can see this. So he was bear while I was trying to be bull because I seen it break above the trend line. It would have worked out if I stayed patient and waited for this candle to form. Then seeing this candle forming, possibly could have got in. Possibly. But learning, man. We learning. Also on Friday, I took SPY 0 days. Never in my life will I take SPY 0 days on a Friday. Ever. Straight like that. But that's the end of this video. 1% with this shit. This me, man. For real. Ain't stopping with this shit. On to the next trade. All that good shit. For real. Can't wait to see what the market do come 6 o'clock, and probably finna go get some good eats right now. So yeah.